Hi everyone, in front of me I've got iPhone 17 Pro and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find General. Then let's scroll down again and localize the option Transfer or Reset iPhone and tap on Reset. As you can see, on the second position we've got the option we're looking for, so Reset Network Settings. Let's simply tap on it. Of course, we have to enter our screen lock to confirm. That was a mess quick. And now your device will inform you that you will reset all network settings, including Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth. You will return them to the factory defaults. Beware, because you cannot undo this action, so do it only if you're ready to remove everything. Of course, everything connected with the connection, the networking. So just tap on Reset Network Settings, and now your device will simply reset everything. So you just have to wait until your device will finish this operation. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.